This is part 2 of Geometry Lesson 10.5. Part 2, let's get going here. We've got a problem here and it says find angle A. You know, how big is angle A? Well, here it is down here. Okay. Well, what do you got? What kind of lines do you have on this one? Look at our formula sheet. Oh, these are two tangents. Look at this. That's a tangent. That's a tangent because it touches the circle at only one spot. Okay. Okay. So now, which formula are you going to use? Well, you look at your formula sheet and you go, which one is it? It's not the first one. It's not the second. Oh, yeah, it's the third formula. Okay, two tangents. That's what you got right here. Two tangents. There's our formula. 1/2 times the angle that is formed is equal to 1/2 times the big arc minus the small arc. Again, the angle on the outside right here is equal to 1/2 times the big arc minus the small arc. Let's go do that right here. Okay, here we go. Let's go find what we're going to do. Well, here's what we got. We got this arc right there. I think what we need to get is that arc right there. Well, how are you going to do it? What do you know about the arcs of a circle? Yeah, they add up to 360. Let's do it. Hey, 360 minus the 126. Okay, what do we got? 10 here, 5 here. Okay, that's going to be 4. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 minus 1 is, there it is, 234. 234. Okay, here it is. This angle right here. Here's what we're looking at. Let's do it in green. This angle right here. The angle is equal to 1/2 times the big arc minus the small arc. Okay, there's our formula. We're looking straight from the formula sheet. Angle A equals 1/2 times the big arc, 234, minus the small arc, 126. Nice. Here it is. Hey, we got 1/2 times 234, 126. Okay, here we go. 234 minus 126. Nice. 108. 108. Yeah, 1/2 of that is 54. There it is. Angle A. We got it. Boom. Done. 54 degrees. We used the third formula on the formula sheet. Okay. Here's another problem. What do you got here? What type of lines do you have, first of all? Okay. Well, what do you have? What are those? Yeah, you got a tangent here because it touches the circle at only one spot. You got a secant right here because it goes through the circle at 2 spots and it keeps on going. Okay, well, oh yeah, the formula. Here it is. Let's look at these two right here. There's going to be our big arc. There's going to be our small arc. And here's the angle right here. Oh, nice. The formula, the third formula on the formula sheet. The angle is equal to 1/2 times the big arc minus the small arc. Oh my gosh, let's write it. Here we go. The angle, 40 degrees, equals 1/2 times the big arc. The big arc is 150. Minus the small arc is x. Nice. Solve for x. What are you going to do? It's algebra now. What are you going to do? Yeah, I think multiply by 2 here. Those get rid of that. That means you got to multiply here. Okay, let's see what we got. We got 80 equals 150 minus x. Okay, now watch your negatives. Okay, here we go. Minus 150 minus 150. Okay, gone. What's that going to be? That's going to be a negative 70 equals negative x. Okay, yeah, multiplied by a negative 1. Yeah, there we go. Good. 70 equals positive x. Boom, that's what they wanted on that. Boom, what are we going to do? I'll tell you what. Don't use this guy too often. It looks nice. Let's do a little Boom, right here. Right there. Okay. Boom, right there. Nice. Okay, hey, you know what I'm going to put in the middle? Yeah, smiley guy. There he is. Yeah, patented. Okay, looking good, huh? What's this one? Oh, that's a homework pump. Boom, we're done. That's the end. That's the end of 10.5, lesson 10.5 right there. All you out in video land, have a great day.